Yes, Jamaica. Rondie Pottinger. The thing again. Okay. Rondie Pottinger thing again. Manchester, Norway. Finish up the work. Oh, I got built on the mountains. Look how beautiful, Danny. Look how the life nice, man. Nice, right?
Very.
You see the view?
Mm-hmm.
And I walk where I walk, you know. Send love to all the people in Jamaica and everything. Continue preserving the culture and the herbs and, you know what I mean? Eat natural and take care of yourself. Randy signing out. Right? We're going to the mountains, go on some meds. Denny, say big up yourself. Hey, I'm going to bring you on a journey to show you what it's like living in my hometown where I was born in Jamaica. We're going to walk. We're going to take a walk. This is where I'm building my house. We're going to go on top of the hill where I'm building my... Oh, birds. They're just so loud. I wish you would turn those birds down. Oh, stop, birds. Those are the parakeets. Yeah, I was born here in 1973, and my grandmother had like 14 kids. 12 or so. Just 14. And this is where my uncle lives, Papa. That's the pimento tree. It's really high up in the mountains. And this is where I come to get my healing, recenter myself from the fast-paced world of New York City. I think that hill over there, right over there, you see that little coconut tree right over there? Right over there, that's where I'm going to build my house. On top of that hill. It's going to be quite a trek to get up there, but I like my peace and tranquility. My favorite bush is pimento. You know, people live very simply. They're farmers. They plant yams and pimentos. And over here, there's little or no crime, actually. Doors are open. There's no grills on the windows. This is what we call Zion. It's not really on the Google map, but I have the GPS coordinates. Yeah, it's just cool, peaceful. There's hardly a lot of traffic going through here. Why I want to build my house here? After 27 years in New York City, whew, you want to reconnect to life, you gotta come back home. I want to plant yams and I want to get old, play dominoes and drink rum and drive my green Jeep to the beach and invite my friends to hang out so we could drink wine and smoke cigars. Yeah. And jerk chicken and look at the walls. Now, these are high up in the mountains, so you know, they Carl stones. A different life. Beautiful garden. This is why I'm so peaceful. This is the language that I know growing up. All trees around me. People say, why did you leave, Rondie? Well, I have to expand. And every time in Jamaica you'd hear the reggae music. And that's what you grew up with. Everybody play their music. Like they take turns. On Sunday they do slow jams. So just
You can find your partner,
hold
sir.
this one. Just hold it. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's take my time with it now. Just like a nice girl. Up in the air. I send more of this one to come up with. You don't want to see it now. Come on there. Tap on it, sir. Double stone.
You have to make a swing.
Go up.
Hold this.
Have a look now.
Go front then.
We can't pass this.
Yeah, man. Step right this.
Can we see about going up front?
No, sir. You got front of you right hand.
And you know what the camera good printing?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I saw him put it some if you
turn
want.
around, sir, turn your sitting way, man.
So.
No, man, the back of it, turn around.
Yes, so.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Ready again?
Just take your time now, win.
Lift up your pin of the air, I go tall.
Hide in the area, I'm going to win.
Right. Lord God.
Me tell them, say the hands move, but if you do long time, you know? And the hands they move. Feet there. Big hands in the middle. Watch yourself. Big hands in the middle. Right from my head, the whole load. And me a balance.
Boy. I'll get water for dinner now.
Hold on, watch out.
Watch yourself. Put it down on my head.
Back out. Don't drop it.
Back out. You just back out.
Once you catch yourself.
Oh, you catch us so it a catch. That rub your head, big. Lord God Almighty. Strong to
That's why the hands them carry the food.
Everybody under me.
No, man.
I put your top, not you. You have to go.
That's how hands move for sure.
Ah.
No, I go out when hands are carried.
I hit that man. The right click this. Can you catch us at the level this part left now?
Let him corner there.
The corner, they have the problem.
Oh, great hand king. Let's go.
Alright.
I'll praise it to the hand king there.
Go on! Go up in our ear, in our ear. Wait.
My hand mash now, you know.
Spin around to that hole. Spin around.
What are you ready?
Come now, let me help you.
No, guy the front, no man.
Guy front, Kevin.
Over this.
We must say space wide now.
Up. Ready?
Ready?
Up. Don't go too tall, don't go too tall with the front. Go with the front, go with the front.
Go straight. No stopping. My God,
Reach our destination already.
Hold him there, Danny. Hold him there. Wait. You have friend, mate?
We down go.
No, go down there. Go down there. Raise your hand, man.
you want me at your farm?
The next thing you watch a piece of wood when you have a for you. See the piece of there wood there. Perhaps you're going to bring up the mall when the time comes.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm crying about it.
Come on. What do you say? Well, we're thinking about Baba house. When it's going to be that shed feet. Alright, fellas.
Put it right by the concrete to the right there.
No man, the shed.
No man, I can't go by this man.
Why?
When you catch up read this side we go. I will put it up here so you can't catch
Come
it.
on, put it.
Come, go right up on the concrete now. Up in the air.
What is it?
You can't even do that.
Wait.
Over. Now killing this is power reach right there.
Come on.
You could have put right there, so would have been it. Could have put right there.
Hold on, you could be ready for back here.
You know, yes, we couldn't put it in. Walk now.
Wait, sideways. Wait. Watch out. Oh.
I can
You gone out to back side.
Tired out, man.
Don't you have to wait? Get down your fat.
That last side, this side, where you want to go?
I know, this side I got to do.
Where put it?
Go this way.
Man, you know, take a break, man. I just move.
And that might say you have to move and take break with a load that's in him.
Have catch breath, man.
You know, that's a big house.
Anytime you see it a spin.
Just
love it.
You can't get tired.
You go them be a good man. I'm good but no eye problem. You see that me pick liquor? I'm here with Babu Shanda.
Huh?
You can't put it right for that concrete if you can't do it.
I want to show you what the plan is, Baba.
No, I say where the plan is. I know for your plan. I say put it on your for the time being.
Okay.
That's what it's around, you know. I'll give you to pass my time, guys. Let's take that road here.
Yeah, go straight up.
How we be?
Be a settle. Come, gyro back around.
Just gyro. Watch it go good. Up. Let's catch you up on the stone, Mr. Sabi. You know if you just, hold it for. Let's catch you up on the stone. Just catch you up on the stone, you know. Watch you not do no man. Watch your man dip on him back, no man.
Who?
Sammy.
Come on, come.
No, Sammy, you can't. Come and have it.
Get some can't me no put on me put it. I don't know push.
Watch out. Good. Come on now then. Push it up.
You know I'm going to rename one of the talking workers.
That's still not going on. How you go call the talking workers? If you say good worker.
The talking workers. If the big guns never put it up on my head, they would have never reached this far.
That's all I miss. Look at that right. Good man.
Now I'm going to buy 5 more today.
Cecilia, bend down. Cecilia, bend down this now.
You have had the G them do.
As a filmmaker, you always have to do the work. Film the thing. Oh.
Standards are man to go in
Yeah. Jamaicans, this is rundown from Karen in the bush.
Jamaica, say foreigners.
Foreigners are the real thing, this rundown mackerel. Now dumpling no there, but tomorrow I will get some more mackerel.
You're such a superstar! Yeah,
This is a superstar family.
I see.
Superstar! Wait, just another pose.
One more pose missing.
Whoa!
No, one other one. One.